बोर्ड परीक्षेत स्पोर्ट्साचे 25 गुण जसे विद्यार्थ्यांक मेळटा तसेच NCC विद्यार्थ्यांकय गुण परीक्षेक मेळचे, कारण कॅम्पाच्या निमतान भुरगीं 4 म्हयने इन्स्टिट्यूशना पासून पयस उरता म्हूण तांचेर न्याय जावचो आनी तांकांय गुण मेळचे अशें NCC कॅडेट ऑफिसर संजय नागी हाणें उलयलां. RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
We have certain programs which we have already worked out, and some things are being worked out in the sense. See, NCC, we look forward to 2-3 things basically. What is that we want a cadet to do? One, he should have attended an NCC camp. The aim is to make him acquainted, I will say, with the Army's way of living. He learns certain aspects of the Army or the Navy, Air Force, depending upon the type of unit he belongs to. Third is he should get a experience of firing. If he is there in the Army unit, if he is there in other units like naval units, he should be able to do boat pulling and so on. If he is in the Air Force, he should get an experience of the air experience, of flying. He should have an experience. So this is what we look at. And beyond this is all these centrally organized camps, what we call, where the cadets should be able to go for the national integration camps, represent the directorate and the state in various things like firing competitions, shooting competitions. Then you have cultural programs, NIAP and whatnot you have as we go by.
Like in sports, they get separate marks for district level, separate marks for state level, and separate for national. Like the NCC cadets who go for
camps,
all India level competitions, Thal Sena camp, Republic Day camp, they also get only that 7 marks. Whereas a sportsman who goes for a national level camp gets 25%. So the difference is vast, whereas the absence of his, if he is going and attending the RTC camp, he is missing out nearly 4 months of his college life. And it's a big loss in the academic. So sports also gets, because to compensate them. So it has to be commensurate to that level. And it is a matter of pride for any state, any college, any district, any child to represent in the Republic Day camp or in the Thal Sena camp of all India level. So we've taken up the case. Hopefully the government would do something on to these things. There are some allowances differences also vis-a-vis the other states, where a little less is being given to the cadets of Goa. We processed the case on file. Hopefully once we meet, the government of Deputy Chief Minister would be able to